Channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to find a leak, a slow leak at that, in your tire. You know, if you morning you wake up and in 2 days your tire just go flat and you don't see the nail or nothing. Basically you just take your tires off. As you can see, I'll show you a little example. Take your tires off. So we got the tire right here and we're using some Windex. If you don't have no Windex, you also could use some water with soap. You know, any soap, Dawn, Gain, Palmolive, and just spray it on there. And where you see it bubbles at the most, you can see right here. You can see it. Hopefully, you guys, you could see it.
Yeah, it's bubbling.
Spray some more.
Yeah, right here. It's bubbling.
Yeah, I see it. You guys see it? It's right there. That the air is basically releasing from the tire. So this right here have a slow leak. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug it. It look like a nail. See it right there? See it's bubbling, guys? So we find the culprit. This is what causing the slow leak. So we're gonna try to get that nail out of there, and we are going to plug this tire. In my last video that I posted about the kit at Walmart, it was like 5 and change plus tax, so it'd be like 6 and change. And so we don't have to pay nobody to do it because it's easy and simple to do. But this is basically how you find a slow leak in a tire. Use some Windex, or you could use some soap and water, pour it on the tire and just search for it. Where the bubbles popping up like this, you know it's a slow leak. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a blessed day. Peace out and bye-bye.